Good morning, everyone. It's Miss Barakos again, and today is Wednesday, and we will be doing science again. So, we've been talking a little bit about the seasons, and I want you to think about for a second in your head what makes you know what season it is, or how can you tell if it's summer or winter or fall or spring. Today, I'm going to ask you to get outside and take a nature walk. Walk outside. Nature is everything that's around you. Walk outside and see if you can find some clues. So I want you to think about the weather right now and what everything is like. So you've got 3 clues. 1, 2, 3 clues. Draw a picture of something that reminds you or lets you know what season it is. So take a minute and go ahead and draw a picture in those boxes, and then we will move on with the rest of the lesson. I would love if you could take a picture of your clue drawings and share them with me on Seesaw. I drew a picture of a flower, as you can see over here to the right, because flowers remind me of summer and spring, but we're in summer right now, so that is a clue for me to let me know it's summertime. So this is what I want you to do. Like I said, I want you to go outside. Get outside. You're going to be a detective. What clues can you find that you can report back and draw a picture of that you actually saw? Not the ones that you just thought of, but the ones that you actually saw. So like I said, when I go outside right now, even though it's been raining the last couple of days, I see a lot of sunshine. I see some flowers, and like I said before, it reminds me of summer. So I don't want you to copy my picture, but show me what you found outside and let me know what season you think it is. I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to see your drawings. Bye.